There's a guide on how you can forward calls on Android. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open your dialer. After that, click on the three dots on the top right section of your screen. After that, click on Settings. And then you have to click on this option that says Operator Related Settings. After that, these options will pop up. You have to click on the option that says Call Forwarding, the third option here. Click on that. After that, you will see a few options, right? For example, we have 4 options here. The first one is Always Forward. It will always forward your call, right? Second one is When Busy. When someone tries to call you and your number is busy, then their call will be forwarded, okay? The third option is When Unanswered, okay? Whenever you will not answer the call will be forwarded. And the last option is When Unreachable, okay? These are the 4 options, and that's it. That's how you forward your call on Android.